Welcome to my YouTube channel Nature Cure by Shweta, and thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Today we're going to discuss about some home remedies for the winter season, especially for the problems of cold, cough and throat infection. These are very common during these days. Now, cold cough, the myth regarding this is whenever person has cold cough and fever, people start, the old people, they stop giving them citrus fruits, lemon juice or banana. They say that if you have this, it's going to invigorate your problem. But that's not the case. Vitamin C is very much required. We have learned a lot during COVID. So, first of all, these have vitamin C in them, and then secondly, they have the characteristics to remove the cough out. So, when you have them, your cough things to be invigorate. Invigorate means it raises, so the cough is coming out. But usually, what we do is we have certain medicines by which we try to dry them. So I would suggest you have these kind, let the cough come out, take rest for 2-3 days and let the whole cough come out. Or if you want it to be fast, remove cough, you can start doing Vaman, which I explained you in the my last two videos. Okay, so you can try with Vaman. Second thing is you can have lemon juice, half a lemon, squeeze half a lemon in 1 glass of lukewarm water, and that you can pour honey depending upon whatever you want, 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon, depending upon whether you have diabetes or some other problem. You can decrease or increase the amount, and you can have that twice or thrice in a day. Keep on having hot water also whole day. Next is you can have turmeric water. So you can put in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in 1 glass of water, and you can have it, or even lesser than that will do. Or if you have fresh turmeric, that will be better. You can just grate them, squeeze them, and you can have that. Next thing is you can have ginger juice. So ginger, same thing, you grate it and make its juice. In that you can put honey, and you can keep on having that 4 times, 5 times or 10 times even a day, depending upon how much you can consume and how much is your problem. So you can have that in a pointed kind of thing. If small kids, they create fussy problems, you have some vessels which are spoons which are like pointed, okay, and you can consume through that. Next thing is have lots of citrus fruit juices. Like I told you, you can have banana milkshake, or you can eat banana, or any kind of sweet limes, and pomegranate juice. These all you can have them. Next thing is for small kids, usually they are very fussy, so you can have turmeric and jaggery and pepper. You can little bit of pepper powder you can put, and you can prepare balls type, and you can give them so that they will be having it. Or then next thing is you can have even alum powder. So what you have to do is take alum and roast it in a pan, and after cool down and just grind it, and you can have that this powder also with honey or jaggery. This will also help to remove the cough powder. Next thing is nutmeg is very useful. It really helps, especially for the small kids where you cannot give these stitch cases, and even for elderly people also. So what you have to do is you have to take that nutmeg, but not nutmeg powder. Okay, so you take that nutmeg and take a stone, a little bit of water, and you have to just rub it. When you start rubbing it, in circular movements, you will find that a paste is generated. So take it, that this paste, and you can just heat it a bit in a microwave or on gas, and you can apply that on forehead and the sinus regions. This will really help the cough to come out. You can apply that on the chest of a small baby also. This will really help you. You can put it on the legs also. Next thing I would suggest you is you can have a steam with cabbage. Okay, so you can have cabbage water in boiling water, and you can sting it steam. This will remove everything. Next is I would suggest you these kind of acupressure points are located at the tips. So what you can do is you can just put in clips this way, okay, to all the tips, and keep it for 1-2 minutes twice or thrice in a day. This will also help you to cure from cold and cough and sinus. Thank you for watching my video.